essentially the replacement on the roster for Austin Wells, who was called up to AAA. And Rice has done nothing but rake since joining the Patriots in 3 AA games. And he ropes the next pitch high in the air down the right field line and fouls. Here's the 1-2. Dunham runs, the pitch is high, the throw to second base is into center field. Now the 2-2. And it's taken upstairs for a ball. Vera deals. Rice takes it well outside for ball 4. So it's a walk to Rice. Patriots have 2 men on with 1 out in the bottom of the second for Josh Rowe.
But consistently hitting balls with high exit velos as the 3-2 pitch is laced back up the middle. That's a base hit. Gasper got a late start, but he's going to get the wave around third from Raul Dominguez. The throw from center field goes to second base. Stay hot, Ben Rice. Since coming up to Somerset, he has put on a show. At RBI single back in the 4th, reaching base twice today. First pitch to Rice is skied out to deep right field. Fontana going back. Warning track gives it a look. It's fair. It's gone. Bye-bye baseball. Ben Rice. A 3-run bomb in the top of the 5th inning. Extends the lead for Somerset. 6-0 on Rice's 3rd homer in 4 games with Somerset.